Let's wait a minute and then we start.
Yes, I started recording. Yes. Very good evening. Welcome to this webinar. This is a wonderful
Okay.
topic. It is a money.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
Today
Good
we
evening.
are going to talk about two things which are beyond this reality. Entities and receiving. Money is not an issue. The issue is receiving. What are you willing to receive? What generative energy, space, and consciousness can you and your bodies be that will allow you to be the energy, space, and consciousness of unlimited receiving for all eternity? And everything that doesn't allow that times a godzillion, will you please destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, cock and pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. All of your expectations, separations, projections, rejections. You can't take my phone.
No, I'm saying
Maybe calling the link.
What you have done? Are
I'm starting.
original item ఉంటుంది. Roll जैसे आया.
I'm sending this to you.
बस that's all I want.
Don't Okay, sorry.
Recording.
So, separations, projections, rejections, and judgments you have a money. Will you please revoke, recant, rescind, reclaim, announce, denounce, destroy, and create all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, all and beyond. And all your expectations, projections, and judgments you have about entities and receiving from entities. Will you please revoke, recant, rescind, reclaim, announce, denounce, destroy, and create all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So as I mentioned earlier, the problem is not money. The problem is receiving is the key. So the question to ask is, what is receiving? What is receiving for me? Receiving for me from entities. Entities, as defined by the Webster Dictionary, is everything that can be defined, which means you and me are entities in bodies. This call is an entity, and there are entities like companies, the chair you are sitting on, the table your laptop is, and then there are entities like ghosts. Without bodies. So everywhere you have defined entities as only bodies without energies without bodies. Everywhere you have defined entities as entities without bodies, as only as ghosts and spirits. Will you please destroy and uncreate all of that?
Yes.
all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So as I mentioned, both this is connected to my Wi-Fi. Please don't disturb this. Forget it. So both entities and receiving, as I said, is beyond this reality. So what energy, space, and consciousness can you and your bodies be that will allow you to create a reality beyond this reality with total ease? And everything that doesn't allow that times a godzillion, will you please destroy and unpage it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. I will be doing a number of clearings during this conversation. Anywhere you have a question, please unmute yourself and ask. Even though Vijay had mentioned that there would be a question answer session at 8:30, I feel we could have it a little more interactive, and therefore the suggestion that you could interrupt me during this. Now, what have you defined money as? Do you value you? Do you value your being? Because if you value your being, the wealth of your being would bring you all that you wish in your life, all that you desire, which includes money. What is your relationship with money? You see, money is also an energy. It's a concept, true, but it's also an energy. Are you willing to be that? Are you willing to interact with the energies that are available in the universe to create, generate, and actualize what you desire? So, if you value your being, all the wealth can be yours. You have to value the wealth of your being. And what is the value? What is the wealth of your being? It's gratitude, it's vulnerability, it's all the 5 elements of intimacy on trust, allowance, vulnerability. So, entities is something which are always willing to gift. The question for you to ask is, who all are available and willing to work together with you to create what you desire? And then you will have the awareness that there would be 1, 2, 3, maybe many more entities. Now I'm talking about entities without bodies who would be more than willing to come and work with you. But before that can happen, you have to be willing to receive from entities. Because if you get into fear of entities, then you are already negating your potency. Because fear is always covering up your potency, your capability. So all your capacities that you have with entities, have you acknowledged that? Or are you keeping them under the carpet? Are you keeping them so that you yourself do not have access to it and therefore are able to create your life? Create whatever wealth you desire along with entities. you know, I would say everybody has done access. Anybody without access?
Access done.
Well, Sharad, you have been on so many calls, so I would consider that you have also done. You know what I'm talking about.
Can I ask you a question, Uncle?
Yes, please.
Anita here.
Anita, yes, please carry on.
You said all your capacities with your entities, we
Yes.
are not receiving. So I wonder, other
Yes.
than fear, what else could be stopping me from receiving?
Fear is not a capacity, Anita.
Just now I thought it so.
No, what did I say?
Fear is a potency, you said.
Fear is
Fear.
always
It's
covering
hiding
your
your potency, right? So if I employ
hiding your
fear,
potential.
yeah.
Exactly.
Other than fear,
If you
what
have
is
done foundation, you know fear is a distractor implant.
right?
And what is a distractor? It distracts you from being present in the moment.
Right.
And when you are not present in the moment, you cannot create the next moment.
Right.
So, fear. So what potency are you refusing with the fear that you are choosing? Everything that is times a godzillion, will you please destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, cock and cord, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds.
My question is,
Yes.
just now you said all your capacities with entities,
Yes.
we are not
Yes.
accessing. So
You are,
I wonder what is stopping me from accessing my potencies other than fear.
from it,
In case if
the
it is so.
acknowledgement. What is it you're not acknowledging?
Mhm.
What are you refusing? What have you misidentified and misapplied?
Okay.
And go into fear rather than the excitement of communicating and receiving from entities.
Mhm.
You have the capacity, you have the ability. Each one of us has that. And if you access when you were young in the cradle,
Mm.
you were playing with entities. You were communicating with entities.
Oh,
You
okay.
were smiling. You were crying all alone, talking to space. And people thought that you were just, playing. You were actually communicating and playing with entities.
Mm.
Have you ever acknowledged that? Each one of us has that ability, but we don't acknowledge it. And somewhere we are negated for awareness.
Mm.
Do you remember when you were young,
Mm.
somewhere going into a dark room or a toilet,
Yeah.
you told some adult that there's a ghost. And rather than acknowledging your awareness,
Mm.
they said, "Koi ghost nahi hota, koi bhoot nahi hota hai." And you started to shut down.
Okay.
And by the time you became adult, you had completely shut down your ability with entities.
Okay.
So, what will it take for you to act your potency that you had when you were a kid in your cradle, playing with entities? Willing to access that, acknowledge and claim and own that?
नाना व्यवस्थित बसायचे ते.
And everything that doesn't allow that times of
थांबा थांबा थांबा
try and create it all. Right and wrong, good and bad,
हा पाय
God, all nine shows, boys and beyonds. This AC44C445, can you please mute yourself? Thank you. So, Anita, have I answered your query?
Yes, sir. Yes. So I was wondering what could be the capacities, which I was refusing. Like, what kind of capacities that we have with entities.
So what are you refusing to receive? Everything that brings up, will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes, please.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, all nine thoughts, boys and beyonds. See,
So what kind of capacity that we have? Okay, I'm even cutting off the awareness, as you said. Probably as a child, I would smile and communicate with the space.
What energy, space, consciousness, and choice can you and your bodies be that will allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive as an infinite being that you truly be? Everything that doesn't allow that times about zillion, will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. As an infinite being, you can be anything. You can perceive everything. You know everything. But you are not acknowledging it. You have shut it down with so many walls. And what are those walls? Walls of judgment. You have created filters, and therefore you are not able to access and use your capabilities and abilities. Okay? Should I proceed? So, do you trust you? So, all of your being that you gave up for money, will you please revoke, recant, rescind, claim, announce, denounce, destroy, and quit all of that? Right and wrong, good and bad, online shows, and beyond. If money is an issue, then somewhere you hate money. Are you willing to acknowledge that you hate money? Because unless you acknowledge that you hate money, things cannot start to change. You have to start loving money. And only when your love, your liking for money exceeds your hatred that you have for money, will your financial situation start changing. So as I said, the whole thing is about receiving, and receiving from entities. If you are willing to acknowledge your abilities, capabilities, your knowing, then the whole thing becomes far more easier. But we have been taught to resist, to negate our knowing, and not to acknowledge it, not to claim and own what we know, not to claim and own our potencies. That's this reality. And therefore, money, and you make money an issue. Money is not the issue. As so many people would have heard Gary say so many times, money is not the issue, you are. In the money book, Gary tells Dane, money is not the issue, you are. So you have to change your point of views. You have to bring down the walls that you have created from the money, the wealth, the abundance from coming to you. So another question which you can be with is, what is my financial reality? What is my financial reality? If you can be with that question today, right now, tomorrow, day after, or sometime, you will know what is your financial reality. Long time back, maybe 6, 7, 8 years back, I heard Gary ask a question. And the question he asked was, let me read, I've written it down somewhere. What is your reality about money, sex, and relationship? What is your reality about money, sex, and relationship? And what would it be like, look like, and feel like? Be with these questions. What would it be like, look like, and feel like? And suddenly you will get a eureka moment and an awareness as to what it is for you. For me, after probably 6 years, it was joy for me. And when I realized it was joy for me, and I went into pathetic at any point of time, I said, no, I have to get back to joy. And that changed my financial reality. It has, the struggle I had with money, even when I was making crores of rupees, suddenly vanished. And it was always ease. It was not the amount of money, but it was ease with money. My reality completely changed with these questions. It took me almost 5 years to come to that. So you have to ask. It is not necessary that you will also take 5 years. You can probably do it in 5 seconds, 5 minutes, but be with these questions. What is your reality about money, sex, and relationship? What would it be like, look like, and feel like? Be like, look like, and feel like. Then ask all the entities that are willing, available, and capable. Willing, available, and capable to work with you. And be with these questions and see how your entire situation changes. Because when you are in the question, you will get awarenesses from which you can start choosing. As I said at the beginning, we are talking about two things that are outside this reality: money and entities. So you have to create beyond this reality and be who you truly are. When you acknowledge, claim, and own who you truly are, the money situation will start changing automatically. You have to be that. And I will repeat again. What do you hate about money? What do you love about hating money? Everything that brings up, will you please destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pot, online, chores, boys and beyond. What will it take for you to start loving money? What will it take for you to start having money? When you can be that, you can have anything. Are you willing? The willingness is only when you have changed your reality by being in these questions and changing whatever awareness you got with this. And if you are not clear what is liking money or loving money, ask the universe. Universe, please show me what is liking money. What is loving money? What is being at peace with money? But there are some people are saying voice is cracking. Am I audible clearly or no? Can somebody respond?
So sometimes it is cracking.
Sometimes
Yeah.
it is cracking.
Hello, Narisankar.
So all of the entities on the internet lines, can you please stand back?
Okay.
Please stand back. You know, I have facilitating 5 years back on entities. Every time there's an entity call, the entities come and interfere because they also want to be on the call. So can you, all of you, can you please ask all entities to stand back further so that they don't interfere with the internet and the internet lines. They don't know that they are doing this. Okay? Ask them to stand back. So everywhere you had hated money. Will you please destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pot, all nine, chores, boys and beyonds. Now tell me, how many of you did not trust you with money and gave it to somebody else for safekeeping? So in all lifetimes, you gave away your money to other entities for safekeeping so that you yourself did not have access to it because you did not trust yourself with money. Will you now please ask all those entities to please return that money back to you in this lifetime and ask them that their job is over and they are all released from the obligation of keeping your money safe with them. And they can now all go and leave the money with you. And everywhere you are unwilling to do that. And everywhere they are unwilling to let go. Can we please destroy and uncreate all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pot, all nine, chores, boys and beyonds.
Body.
There was a huge charge around it. Thank you.
Okay. You see, in some lifetime or the other, can you acknowledge that you have been kings, queens, moneylenders, landlords.
Naresh uncle, I have a question on this.
हाँ बोलिए.
Rita here. How are you, sir?
How are you, Rita? Good to see you.
Same here. So,
I'm good.
so I basically don't have a problem with money, but
Okay.
there's always this constant fear of not having enough for the next, maybe even the month. There's lots in the bank, but still there's a sensation of fear. And I've like going into the past, I've seen like many lifetimes where I've been either killed, stabbed, or my business has burned down. So that loss of, that getting that loss of money is very strong. So in fact, when I say I love money, sometimes I tend to hoard it. Even if it's required, okay, I should spend this money here, like an investment, but I'll just hoard it out of the fear of losing it and it won't come back. How do I work on, something which you can give me for this?
Rita, you know what fear is.
Distracted implant. I've done lot of that pocket podding,
Yeah.
but it's like something which is still stuck, like there's a thread still hanging, which is not letting me free from that. That letting go is not there. That tomorrow there will always be enough.
So what potency of you can you access, or are you now able to access but are not willing?
Yes.
Will you please destroy and uncreate all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, all nine, shorts, boys and beyond. And everywhere you have made yourself pathetic by not acknowledging, claiming and owning your potency throughout lifetime dimensions and realities.
Yes.
And made it fearful. Will you now please give up all of those lies and revoke, recant, rescind the claim, announce, denounce, destroy, and create all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, all nine, shorts, boys and beyonds. And all the distractor implants of fear, doubt, and the Shiku underneath, and the Mobius strip holding it together, and the quantum particulates holding all the Mobius strip. Will you now please revoke, recant, rescind the claim, announce, denounce, destroy, and create all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, all nine, shorts, boys and beyonds. How do you feel?
Lighter.
Is there something else?
This is just the fear of losing is like very strong, because if somebody asks me in a money class, like Gary says, you're willing to lose everything. Yeah. So when Gary says you gain when you are willing to lose everything, I said, no, I'm not willing to lose it.
So
that's how it me somewhere.
So are you willing to lose or not?
No, I'm not willing to lose. That's the whole place where I get stuck on.
So unless you are willing, you see again, are you willing to be a slut?
No, that's the whole thing.
You see, the issue is being willing and doing
is different.
Are two different things.
Correct.
You may choose not to, but if you are willing, then you have not created walls. Then you are not having filters to see things. So everywhere you are unwilling to be as rich as you were in all your lifetime dimensions of realities and greater than your entire family. Are you willing now to acknowledge, claim and own that?
Yes.
And everything that doesn't allow that times a godzillion will please destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, all nine, shorts, boys and beyonds. The issue is of willingness.
Correct.
You always have a choice not to do something, but are you willing? In my
I'm
foundations, I
willing
ask.
now. Yeah.
Sorry.
You said so. There is a willingness, but that there's an underlining very lower layer where suddenly there's some thought crops up or some, energy which says like, no, no, how can you do that? How can you be willing to lose? What if you lose everything tomorrow? And I'm really not willing to start from scratch again.
Are you willing to die tomorrow?
I'm willing to die. I'm willing to die. Dying is not an issue.
So when you die, what is it you take with you?
I'd obviously take with me all my.
Do you take the wealth that you have accumulated here?
No.
Or you take the wealth of your being?
The wealth of my being.
Exactly. So are you willing to have the wealth of your being?
Yes.
And acknowledge and claim and own that.
Yes.
And everything that doesn't allow the times of God dealing will please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and
This
wrong, good,
feels really happy.
right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pot, all nine shorts, poison.
Thank
So,
you.
sorry, what did you say?
I said this feels really happy.
So, where does money come? There is happiness.
Right.
Money doesn't go to Dharavi. Money,
No.
money comes to Altamont Road.
Yes.
In the 27-story building.
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct. Thank you so much.
Sir, what do you mean by wealth of the being?
I mentioned earlier, what is the wealth of your being is the elements of intimacy you have with you. Are you willing to acknowledge, claim and own who you truly are? Or you want to see yourself also with the filters of this reality? You see, what is the wealth of your being? It is the gratitude you have for you, what people have for you. It is the honor that you have for you and people have for you. The trust you have for you. Do you trust you? So many people I know, they would trust someone else rather than themselves. And when you don't trust you, you are negating yourself. You are diminishing your own wealth. Money is a concept. Is that pink note worth 2,000 rupees? No. It's probably cost 30 bucks. It's a concept. What is real is what you are. And the trust that you can create it like this. You can be that. Because as an infinite being, you can be anything and everything. You have that capability. You have that capacity. Are you with me?
Yes, sir. Sir, right from our childhood, we
Yeah.
are conditioned by fear of ghosts because our grandmother, grandfathers, they tell the stories that there are ghosts. If you do not eat food, they will come and attack you, and thereby we are getting conditioned. And how to get rid of that particular fear?
Well, the very fact you are on this call you have started to change. So will you please acknowledge yourself?
Yes.
As I had mentioned in the call earlier, when you were young, you had that capability, that capacity, and you were talking to the entities, you were playing with the entities, you were creating with entities. But somewhere down the line, because of all that you mentioned, because you were negated and you bought all that point of view rather than trust your own knowing, you shut it down to fit in here. So everything you have done to diminish you, to fit into this reality, will you please destroy and uncreate all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, talking about all nine, shorts, boys, and beyonds. So, money is not the issue. But I am repeating what Gary said in his book also. Money is not the issue, you are. You have to be. Somebody is very happy with 500 bucks in his pocket. And somebody is unhappy with 5 lakhs in his briefcase. Both are carrying it on their person. It is what is their money reality. Money is just an energy.
Namaste, Naresh Chacha. Amol this side.
हाँ,
On the
बोलिए.
same thing that you were talking about, that
Yeah.
money is just a reality and it is, I mean, your love towards it.
Yeah.
So if say a person like me, who probably when it comes to money is very, very ambitious, you know, as you said, that somebody might have 5 lakhs in the pocket and they can be not happy with it, and somebody might have 500 and
Yeah.
be happy with it.
Yeah.
I know as a person, I don't know where it has come from, but I think I feel very strongly that I won't be content in you know being just rich. I want to be extremely rich, and that would probably make me happy.
Were you in the call from the beginning?
Yes, yes.
So what did I say in the beginning?
Mhm.
If you have a money issue, somewhere you hate money.
Okay.
And the only way
Mhm.
your money situation will change is when your love for money exceeds your hatred for money. And
Yeah, that.
that is a lot of work you have to do on you.
Mhm. So exactly, I wanted to understand. So when you say you hate money, how do I get to know whether I hate money? Because I feel I love it.
Ask a question.
Okay. Do I hate money?
What is the value of hating money? What is the value of loving to hate money?
Mhm.
What is the value of refusing money?
Mhm. Mhm.
These simple questions, what is the value of fearing entities? What is the value of rejecting receiving from entities?
Mhm.
Even a job
Mhm.
where you earn money is coming from an entity. A
Yes.
company is an entity. A business is an entity.
Yes.
So somewhere you are refusing to receive from entities.
Yes.
And entities come in the entirety.
Mhm.
If you are refusing to receive from a company,
Mhm.
how can a ghost give to you?
Yeah.
But talk to the entity's creator, Shannon O'Hara,
Mm.
says every class, there is extra money.
Mhm.
Initially, it used to be few dollars, then a few $100, and now it is more than thousands of dollars.
Mhm.
She says in every class, she receives money from entities.
Mhm.
They are contributing to her.
Mhm.
Now, that may be beyond people's reality, but for her,
It's
that
a
is
reality.
her money reality. That's her financial reality.
Mhm.
So what will it take for you to have a similar reality of money to Gary, Dane, and Shannon? And everything that doesn't allow that, will you please destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, talk and pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. You see, I can keep on talking. If there are questions, I would welcome them.
Sir, I have a question. My name is Rajeshwari.
हाँ बोलिए.
How do we differentiate then in that case boundaries and receiving? Because if everything is an
Between
entity,
what?
boundaries or choices, like you said, if a company or a job is an entity,
Yeah.
and I should be ready to receive from any entity.
Right.
So do I really have a choice, or as in, can I have boundaries for my receiving? I am not able to word it, but
No, you see, what is receiving? Be in the question, what is receiving for me? And anywhere and everywhere you don't know what it is, look at it in nature. So in this case, let's look at a fruit tree.
okay.
Now, a fruit tree is receiving from the sun, is receiving from the earth,
Okay.
and gifting you the fruit, and has no point of view whether you eat it, you throw it, or you give it away to a dog to eat.
Yes.
So it has no point of view about what happens to the fruit that it's bearing, and it is receiving unconditionally from sun and mother earth.
Okay.
So are you willing to receive from your company unconditionally without a point of view?
Okay.
Now you will receive it without a point of view if you are happy.
Yes.
If that job where you are working is drudgery for you,
Yes.
it will not give you happiness, and therefore that money, अपने हिंदुस्तान में बोलते हैं ना, बरकत नहीं होती.
Yes.
Okay?
Huh.
What is barakat? Barakat is you have peace with money. The money is contributing to you. But if it is a job that you are doing without enjoying it, it's drudgery. And you will find yourself always struggling for money.
Okay.
Even though the salary may be 5 lakhs a month.
Okay.
And somebody whose salary is 50,000 a month, but he's thoroughly enjoying, you will find he will have peace with money. So you have to be in the question, what is my financial reality?
So what is would get me the answer of what is currently, which is of course not that great.
I'm sorry, I didn't get it.
Like when I asked myself that question,
Yeah.
I got an answer as to it's not so wonderful.
Okay.
In fact, it's poor.
So again, let's go back to the BARS manual. The
Okay.
4 questions. What is this? What can I do with this? Can I change it? If yes, how can I change it?
Okay. So if we come
What
up
energy
with an
space?
answer,
Yeah. Carry on.
I got the answer that I should just be happy.
Exactly.
Yes.
Money comes to joy,
Yes.
not to sadness.
Yes.
And wherever it comes to sadness, it also
Yes.
goes away in sadness.
Yeah. Right.
Right?
So all I can do is just ask how to be happy.
What is happiness for you?
Okay. So I should get into the awareness of
What
what is
energy,
happiness.
space, and consciousness can you and your body be?
Hmm.
That will allow you to be happy 24/7, or to be happy for all eternity. And everything that doesn't allow that times of Godzillion will you please destroy and create it all.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. And everywhere you are judging
Hmm.
happiness as XYZ
Hmm.
rather than receiving it.
Okay.
Will you please destroy and create all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. The first sentence of the Bar's manual.
Hmm.
What is consciousness? Where everything exists without judgment.
Okay. Yeah.
You are, in whatever you have said, the issue,
Hmm.
there is a judgment.
Okay.
So be in the interesting point of view.
Hmm.
Interesting point of view. I have this point of view.
Okay.
You know, these very, very basic tools work wonders in your daily life.
Yes. Yes. I have experienced that.
And in being happy.
Yes. 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 That's true. Thank you very much.
Do we have?
Thank you.
Do we have more time, Vijay? Can we take other questions? Yes.
I have a question, Nareshji.
Boliye.
Hi, Anjali here. How are you?
Hi, Anjali.
So one of the questions I have is, I have this issue about being a bit careless with money and also carelessness with managing money.
So what judgments do you have about you of mistreating money?
Mm-hmm.
Will you please destroy and create all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. What will it take for you to love money? You see, anything you love,
yeah,
you will take care.
Yes.
And anything you hate, you will not bother.
Mm-hmm.
Let it be out of sight. I don't want to even look at it.
Right. Yeah.
So you have to, again, write what I said in the beginning. You have to ask those questions.
Mm-hmm.
There was something else you wanted to say?
No, I think those are that is the main issue.
Yeah.
You pointed it rightly. I think it's kind of just not even wanting to look at it. You know.
Exactly.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Nareshji, can I ask one more question? Is it all right?
Please. Yeah.
What are those 5 elements of intimacy that you mentioned, which we need to be in love with to allow money to flow?
Have you done?
Pardon me?
Rajesh, have you done
Yes.
foundation class?
No, I have done the bars class.
Okay. So you see, it's a chapter in foundation. There are 5 elements of intimacy.
Okay.
And those 5 elements are honor, trust,
okay,
allowance, vulnerability, and gratitude.
Mm-hmm.
If you have it with you, you can have it with each and every molecule in the universe.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have that, there is no lack in your life.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
So what secret agenda with lack do you have that keeps you from having abundance and money? Everything that is times of godzillion will please destroy and create it all.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket part, online, shorts, boys and beyond.
That was good. Thank you.
Naresh ji, can I ask one question?
हाँ बोलिए सनेता.
Yeah. So I have been losing quite some money in the last 15, 20 days. I don't really mind that because I know I will never have any loss of money. I'll always have enough. But then there's a lot of shame or embarrassment about it because people keep telling me that, you know, you should not do this because you are wasting money or you are.
I didn't hear your first sentence. You know, your voice was lost. So can you repeat it, please?
Okay, so I started with that. I have been losing some money in the last 15 to 20 days.
You have been using some money.
Losing. I'm losing some money.
Oh, losing. Okay.
Yeah. I don't really mind that because I know I will always have enough. I'll never go bankrupt. But there is some shame and embarrassment about it because my friends will tell me that, you know, you should not do this, or they'll just keep giving advice or make fun of it.
So what energy, space and consciousness can you and your body be that will allow you to be in a space of no judgment, especially of you, for all eternity? And everything that doesn't allow that times of godzillion, will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pot, all nine, shorts, boys and beyonds. Everywhere you have defined money as the source of your life and being. Will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good, bad, pocket pot, all nine, shorts, boys and beyonds. Now, you see, you said there is a shame. Now, shame is also a distractor. Have you done foundation or no?
Have I done what?
Foundation class.
Foundation I have not done. I have done bars and
Okay. So, shame is also a distractor. Shame, regret, guilt. These are all distractors. And what are the distractors doing? They are preventing you from being present in your life. And when you are not present, you are not creating your life. You see, you said shame. So that means you have gone back into past. Isn't it? Aisa ho gaya. You have gone into the past rather than being in the present.
Correct.
So what have you made so vital, valuable, and real about your past that keeps you from creating your future? Everything that is science about billion, will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pot, all nine, shorts, boys and beyonds. So you have to get out of the distractor and be present in your life. You can create money only by being present.
Thank you.
सर मुझे भी बात करनी है.
बोलिए.
सर नमस्कार, मुझे पहचाने?
हाँ पहचाने. यहाँ पर टाइम कम है, क्वेश्चन पूछिए.
हाँ सर, मुझे हैवीली लग रहा है. जैसे ही एंटिटी के बारे में और आपने मनी के बारे में बोला तो मुझे हैवीली लग रहा है.
Who does this belong to? किसका है ये? आपका है? किसी और का है?
किसी और का है.
तो वापस भेजिए ना फिर उसको. जब आपको मालूम है किसी और का है तो क्यों रखा हुआ है? जब आपका नहीं है तो हैवी तो होगा ही ना.
अच्छा. फिर क्या करूं?
फिर क्या करूं
सर? Who does this belong to?
Return to the sender with consciousness attached, right and wrong, good and bad, POC and POD, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. 3, 4, 5, 6 बार करिए, सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
Okay.
Any other question?
Okay.
Or should we close, Vijay? What do you say?
Thank you, Naresh ji, for a very good question.
Thank you, Sharad, for being on the call.
Thank you.
Now, I will just want to mention that I have an entities class of 7 telecalls starting from tomorrow. Vijay has all the details. If any one of you wishes to choose that, please get in touch with Vijay. And I have my foundation class starting on the 29th. Again, the details are available with Vijay. Please get in touch with him if anyone is interested. Or anyone you know may be interested in either of these 2 classes. And if you would like to have money and entities class of a 4-hour class, a regular class, then also please get in touch with Vijay and we can fix up and schedule. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
That was good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank